UptoSix Phonics. Listen to the sound.
It's a sunny day at the seaside. Sam the squirrel is having a good time at the seaside. Sam used his sand toys to build a sand castle. He wants to relax on the sunbed now.
As in sun. As in squid and starfish. As in sand castle. And as in sand toys. As in sunglasses. As in straw glass. And as in sandwich. Tap all the pictures that begin with the sound. Sky, sun, squid, sand castle, sand, starfish, sand toy. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Strawberry. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Sun. Tap on the sound that parrot begins with T. You can do it. Tap on the sound that peacock begins with I. Try again. Pop the bubbles with the sound Ah. Pop the bubbles with the sound Ah. Pop the bubbles with the sound D. Pop the bubbles with the sound D. Help the squirrel to get the acorn. You are a superstar. Drag the right teddy onto the train. That's cool. Pin. Ram. G. I. Rib. I. Panic. D. D. Daffodil. Hat. Hat. Tag. Tap here for clue. G. G. Nest. Nest. Panic. Hill. Windmills on a hill. D. G.